Properties of sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid is colorless, dense, oily liquid with a specific gravity of 1.84 at 298 Kelvin. The acid freezes at 283 Kelvin and boils at 611 Kelvin. It dissolves in water with evolution of large quantity of heat. Hence, care must be taken while preparing sulfuric acid solution from concentrated sulfuric acid. The concentrated acid must be added slowly into water with constant stirring when we are diluting it. Chemical reactions of sulfuric acid. The chemical reactions of sulfuric acids are result of the following characteristics: because of its low volatility, strong acidic character, strong affinity for water, and ability to act as oxidizing agent. In aqueous solution, sulfuric acid ionizes in two steps. In first step, the sulfuric acid forms hydronium ion and bisulfite ion, that is HSO4 minus ion. The Ka1 value is very large. It is greater than 10. In second step, the bisulfite ion ionizes to form hydronium ion and sulfate ions, and Ka2 value is 1.2 into 10 raised to minus 2, very less value. These values indicate that in H2SO4 solution, mostly bisulfate ions and hydronium ions are present and sulfate ions are few in number. Sulfuric acid, because of its low volatility, can be used to manufacture more volatile acids from their corresponding salts. For example, Mx plus H2SO4 gives Hx plus M2SO4. With this method, we can prepare the volatile acids of fluoride, chloride and nitrate. That is, we can prepare HF, HCl and HNO3 by this method. Concentrated sulfuric acid is a strong dehydrating agent. Dehydrating agent means ability to remove water molecules. Many wet gases can be dried by passing them through sulfuric acid, provided the gases do not react with the acid. Sulfuric acid removes water from organic compound. It is evident from the charring action of the carbohydrates. You take any carbohydrate, add concentrated H2SO4 to it, the water molecules will be removed. For example, in case of sucrose, that is C12H22O11, when concentrated sulfuric acid is added, 11 H2O molecules are removed and 12 carbon are left behind. Hot concentrated sulfuric acid is moderately strong oxidizing agent. In this respect, it is intermediate between phosphoric acid and nitric acids. Both metals and non-metals are oxidized by concentrated sulfuric acid, which is reduced to SO2. We can see copper reacts with sulfuric acid forming copper sulfate, SO2 and H2O. Same way, sulfur reacts with H2SO4 forming SO2 and H2O. Carbon reacts with concentrated H2SO4 forming CO2, SO2